Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous video, we have learnt about the JavaScript functions using parameters. Let me explain you that in short. In our last video, we took the different variables, passed the different values in the same functions, which we used to pass the arguments. In that, we used to just print the document only values. But now here, we are not using the document.write. We want to return the value. Here you can see we want to return that value so that we can use it often. Now we have a different method in JavaScript, which is our today's topic, that is JavaScript function with the return value. For that, I'll just create a new file in the name of index50.html. I'll create a boilerplate. With this, I'll change my title. JavaScript functions using with return values. Okay, whenever you want to return a value, we'll always make a function just as before we did using the parameters and arguments. At the end, we can return that value after passing the arguments. But here we have one variable in which we have given two arguments. The value will be assigned to the variable. To understand this, let's do it practically. I'll just create a function. I'll name that function as full name. Inside this round brackets, I'll write first name. Inside this double quotes, I'll write Rohan. Then I'll simply give a comma. Then I'll use a last name, to which I'll mention Singh. Inside this flower brackets, I'll write var a equals to my f name. To this, we are using the plus sign to concatenate. Here I am using the blank string so that we get a space. After that, I'll use this plus sign again. Then I'll write last name. I'll close this. This is our variable. Now we have to return this. I'll write return a. To get this value, now we have to pass the arguments. In our previous video, we have seen how to pass the arguments. To pass that, inside this round brackets, I'll write my argument's name as Rohan and Singh. These are the two arguments I am passing. Let us just open this using the live server. Let us check this. Here you can see we didn't get anything because we have not used that value which has been returned. You can see it here, we have not used that value. So to do this, we have to take the variable name as fn. Okay, we have to take that variable name as, here I have to write var fn equals to full name Rohan and Singh. Let us just check this. I'll print this using document.write. Inside this, I'll write fn. Always remember that while calling the function, before that let us just check this. You can see it here. We got the result as Rohan Singh. Here we don't have to mention any double quotes. I guess you people didn't understand this. So let's understand what we did. When I called the function by passing two arguments here, Rohan and Singh, it went to the var a. It went here. You can see it here. With the help of concatenation. I have mentioned it plus sign. This is the concatenation sign where we return the value. It reassigned to the function fn, by which when we called the function we got the result. I'll explain it again. This is very simple. We created a function in the name of full name where we mentioned f name as Rohan and L name as Singh. Here we created a function inside which I have mentioned var a equals to f name plus L name. Then I returned that var a. After that, when I called that function using this two arguments Rohan and Singh. By passing the two arguments Rohan and Singh, it went to the var a where we have given this f name and L name using this concatenation where we return the value. It again reassigned in the fn. This var, it again got reassigned in this fn, by which when we called that function we got the result. This function is very useful so that we can use it often. This is how the JavaScript function with the return values works. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching this video.